Hi guys, another short review of some more Steve Kerridge and Dave Tadman old poster magazines. I also read that, whether you can see it very well, When in Rome, A3 poster, I put it on there. Looks excellent. Signed by Carl Fox. Any space I can fill, I have to use it, you know what I mean? Very dark today in Nottingham. Right, let's get to it. We're doing about 5 or 6 of these, opening up of these posters. So we'll start with the this is a Dave Tadman one, Daniel Asanto, and the John Saxon one. Some more Bruce Lee Forever, Silent Flute, June Rhee one, and the Orphan one. I think that'll be enough for this episode, so hold on and I'll be back in a second. Welcome back guys, I've opened them all up, all the ones I'm doing in this episode. Here's a Dave Tadman Daniel Asanto one. Excellent. Let's have a look at the poster. Yeah, very, very cool. Excellent. That's one done. There's another Dave Tadman one, 12 weeks in Hong Kong. Excellent. Let's have a look at the poster. Very cool poster that is. I'd love to have these framed if I had the room, but I don't have the room. But great to look at them again. Say, is Bruce Lee Forever, Steve Kerridge, Silent Flute Part 1. Let's have a look at the poster of this one. Fabulous. Excellent. I forget what I look like myself. It's not something you do. You don't get the posters out very often. Silent Flute Part 2, Steve Kerridge, Bruce Lee Forever. The poster. Excellent. Flying Bruce in the desert. Excellent. The June Rhee one, Bruce Lee Forever. With a cool poster, look at that. Fantastic. Brilliant. And The Orphan. Another Bruce movie I've never seen and love to see. Will it ever be available on an official release? Looking very doubtful, but I would love a copy of that, an official copy anyway. One day before I die, hopefully. Let's have a look at the poster. Bruce Lee forever. The Orphan. Very cool. Another excellent poster. Well, I hope you enjoyed that short review of a few more posters. I'll get back to it when I feel like it, do a few more for you. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Have a great day, my brothers. And Bruce will never die. Ta-ra.